Hello, and welcome back to another episode on the 2-Bucket Auto Detail channel. Have you ever washed your car perfectly, dried it off, but the paint still feels a little rough and gritty? That rough feeling is caused by embedded contaminants, like brake dust, industrial fallout, and tree sap that slowly dig right into your clear coat over time. Regular car soap will never remove them, but there is a specific detailing step that will. The solution to that gritty paint is the clay bar. In this case, a synthetic clay towel, which is what we enjoy using the most. As it moves across the lubricated paint, it physically grabs and pulls out all those microscopic, stubborn particles. Let's take a look at the hood after our treatment. The final result is a finish that is quite literally as smooth as glass. Making your paint flawless is not just a one-and-done process. Because your car is constantly exposed to the outside elements, claying is a vital step that needs to be accomplished a couple of times per year. Even if you have a high-end ceramic coating, pulling out those embedded contaminants keeps your ceramic coating unclogged, clean, and performing exactly the way it should. We believe every vehicle deserves that brilliant, smooth as glass finish. That is exactly why this entire clay decontamination process is included as a standard step in our complete full detail package. If you are ready to hit the reset button on your paint and feel the difference for yourself, head over to 2bucket.com. We will take care of the rest.